Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I will be talking about some kind of a new idea regarding the recharging of an e-bike. So basically this will be related to energy harvesting. So I will explain this in step by step explanation. So why wait? Let's dive into that. So I would like to name this idea as e-bike energy harvesting. Basically, this will be like less charging in home and moving forward. Mm, so, as the context of this presentation, I would like to say that first I will talk about the problem and then I will talk about the solution. Next, feature explaining and then flow chart and then facts to consider. Finally, the conclusion. Okay, so moving forward, as the problem, let's say when it comes to e-bikes, I was thinking of a way to improve the range. Okay, and then following points were there, right? So I also thought that we can have more battery capacity to fix this issue, right? And but it might be heavier for an e-bike, right? So we need to have some other optimized solution. Okay. Finally, the goal should be to have less charging time at home while extending the range, right? So we'll see what's the solution. So as the solution, it would be great if we can recharge the battery without stopping at charging station or home, obviously, right? So why can't we use kinetic energy of steering wheel, basically front wheel, right? So I will separate solution for following points. So set up a hub dynamo in steering wheel and recharge a separate battery from hub dynamo. But why a separate battery? So yeah, I will let you guys to think about that. So I have many reasons to think in that way. But yeah, I'm happy to answer your questions in the comment section. So yeah, moving forward. And when main draining battery is not using, we can recharge the charging battery, right? So moving forward. So in feature explaining, other than rear wheel driving e-bike, okay, this will have some additional feature which is to charge an additional battery. Okay, so when riding, the consuming battery is draining, but charging battery will be charged, right? As simple like that. Okay, and then when rider stops the bike or in an idle situation or maybe riding on a downhill, we can charge the consuming battery from charging battery. Okay, so moving forward, as the flow chart of like how is basically what kind of status, what kind of process related to charging battery. Okay, so when riding the bicycle or e-bike, it will charge the battery. In here, I mean by battery, which is consuming battery. Okay. So whenever stop riding, okay. So either stopped the bike or going through going on a downhill, we are not cycling, right? So whenever that happen, we are discharging the battery to charge consuming battery. Okay, so yeah, that's how it works. So moving forward, yeah, in facts to consider section, um, there are few facts that we need to think about. Okay, so I will list down it in here. First thing is when it comes to charging a battery, then there might be some temperature increasing. Okay, so we need to think about that, and we need to avoid that as well, right? So as the second point, also we are here talking about two batteries. Okay, so we need to think about the weight increasing as well for an e-bike, right? I mean, this is just e-bike, right? We don't want to have like weighted one, right? That's it. So there is another thing, um, as the third point, what would happen if the charging battery is fully charged, right? Yeah, I have some ideas for that, but I will let you guys to think about it. So yeah, maybe we can um use the charging battery and let the consuming battery to recharge from the dynamo. Other than that, maybe we can stop charging and recharging the consuming battery. So there are a lot of options, but I let it you to decide. And yeah, at the final point, as an improvement, we can have a mobile app to show the details regarding charging and discharging, etc. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of an improvement thing. So that is totally up to you, what you are going to do with it. So yeah, that's all in facts to consider. So moving forward, so conclusion. As the conclusion, I would like to say that this is just a small idea regarding e-bikes, right? So, good luck with trying out the idea, and I would be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. So, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it, and hope to see you in next video.